A lot of you have been asking me how to buy USDT or BTC or even Ethereum from Binance P2P platform, and what things do we need to consider, and is it even safe? So in this video, I'm going to tell you just this and answer all your questions. To buy BTC or USDT, Ethereum or anything from Binance P2P platform, what you have to do is first go to the Binance trading platform and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, go to the wallet option over here to the top right and then click on funding wallet. After you click on funding wallet, what you have to do is click on buy or sell option over here. And after you do that, you will be directed to a new page where you will find buy and sell option, from where you can buy USDT or even sell your USDT or any other cryptos you want to sell or buy. Like, let us say you want to sell BTC, then what you will do is you will click on BTC and click on sell. And then from here you can sell BTC. Now in this case, we will just take an example of buying USDT and see how to do that. So I will click on USDT and keep this to buy option. Now, the very next thing which you have to do is go over here and enter the currency of your own country. Like if you are from India, you will keep it to INR, and if you are from Japan, then you will keep it to JPY or Japanese yen. So I will just keep it to INR for now. After that, here you can see there are different vendors who are willing to sell their USDT so that you can buy. And then here there's a rate which they are offering. And then here is the limit of which they are willing to sell the USDT. And then to the right over here, we have the payment option which they are providing. So apart from this, what you have to look for is also how many positive and negative feedback does the vendor has. So here this vendor has 225 positive feedback and only 5 negative feedback, which is a very good rate. So you can go forward with this. But if you have more negative reviews, then I would say just avoid those vendors. Now also you can also enter the amount of which you want to buy USDT. So let us say I just want to buy USDT of 5,000 INR. So I will enter 5,000 over here and then click on search. So here Binance will only show me all the vendors who are willing to sell 5,000 INR worth of USDT. So here this is a guy who is willing to sell USDT around 1,000 to 21,000 INR, which fits in my range. So, and the rate offered is 80.30, which is quite expensive, and I think it will be expensive right now. And the payment option is UPI and IMPS. So if this goes good with you, what you can do is click on buy USDT option. After that, what you have to do is enter the amount over here. Like let us say I'm entering 5,000 INR worth of USDT, in which I will get around 61.72 USDT. After that, I will click on buy USDT option. So now it says that the ad has been updated. Please refresh the ad list. Okay, so I will have to do it again and select someone else. So let us say I'm buying from him. Let us first check the feedback, and he has 433 positives and only 3 negatives. So we can go forward with him. So let's just click on buy, enter the amount, and then click on buy USDT. It again says the ad remaining balance is less than the minimum order limit, and this doesn't happen every time. I don't know why this is happening right now, so I will just do the process again. So let us just buy from this guy now and click on buy USDT. So your order is placed now, and then here you can select the option, the payment option. Now he is only providing us with UPI, so I will just send all the money, or that is 5,000 rupees on this UPI address, and then click on transfer next. After I have clicked on transfer next, he will transfer me the money and it will appear in my funding wallet. Also, if you want to chat with this guy, you can do that from here itself, so that you can talk with him and ask for any other payment option if he has. And also remember one thing, that always send from your own account. That is, if you have your Binance account on the name of XYZ, then your bank account should also be on the same name while you transfer the amount. So your USDT after the trade will appear in this funding wallet, and what you have to do after that is click on transfer and then transfer all the USDT from funding wallet to fiat and spot wallet, from where you can buy or sell other altcoins. So this is how you buy USDT, BTC or even Ethereum directly from Binance P2P platform. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then make sure you hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you.